Today there's a national strike. We just have one train to get to Geneva. Treno per Ginevra, preso.
Ginevra, ultima. Guarda, che questo, guarda.
Andiamo a nord.
Non dimentica.
Fills my eyes. Ooh, my bones are full of fire. My spirit is alive. Ooh, my heart is full of light. Your goodness fills my eyes.
First most notice you're located at the front of the train. On this train, dining
Ce l'abbiamo fatto. Ultimo treno. Treno per Pavia.
Ballerino.
Quanti treni abbiamo preso alla fine?
In totale o cosa?
Tutti, questo viaggio.
Eurostar. Fino a Parigi, poi Digione, poi Lione, Oxford, 2 per arrivare a Londra.
Sì.
E altri 2 oggi, 7. 8 con questo qua.
Non male.
Anche questo qua. Boh, Duma.
Arrivati.
Arrivati. Here we are, back in Pavia. The trip is over and we are very happy to have been able to do it all despite the French strikes. If you think about it, a couple of weeks ago it would
seemed
seem like
impossible.
Yeah. It's 2 days to Easter now, but when you will see this video, Easter will be past, it will be over, so we both hope that you had a good Easter break.
We enjoyed a lot di... Come la batteria che si sta scaricando?
Sì.
Ma aveva 3 attacchi su 4.
Adesso ne ha 0.
To sum up our train adventure, the overall experience is positive. We enjoyed a lot the trip. We saw beautiful and interesting things. We explored cities and we ate also delicious food. So in the end, we managed to have fun, even with some ups and downs.
So if you want to try ChatGPT, we suggest to try organizing a trip. It's fun, but leave some time for random exploration because at the end it is one of the funniest parts of traveling. At the end, ChatGPT behaved well, but it is far from perfect. So double check everything, but I mean, we expect it in the next month, so a couple of years it will become actually better and better.
Regardless of the artificial intelligence, we will sure... Ti diverte tantissimo questa cosa perché l'hai già fatta almeno 5 volte. Regardless of the artificial intelligence, we will sure will. Regardless of the artificial intelligence, we will for sure plan other interrails through Europe, as we really like the flexibility that it gives you.
We hope that this travel series made you want to organize ASAP your next adventure. And if you decide to use ChatGPT to help you, please tell us more in the comments.
Ah, ok. Non mi aspettavo che finisse.
Ecco, c'è detto.
For this travel series is all.
Safe travels and don't forget to subscribe.